Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to create a smart rich filter in Jira. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so creating a smart rich filter in Jira involves using the rich filters for Jira dashboard app plugin, which enhances the Jira dashboards with advanced filtering, gadgets, and rich visualizations. So now what you'll need to head on over to Jira, log into your account. From here, we need to click onto the app section on the left hand side and then click onto where it says explore more apps. From here, where it says search for apps, we need to search for rich filters for Jira dashboards. Here it is here. So time recording, it's got about over 8,600 installs with a 3.9 out of 4-star rating. So go ahead and click on try it for free on the top right hand corner. So then select the site. So I'm going to be installing it onto here. I'm going to click review. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and start free trial. So now that's going to download and install this application for my Jira dashboard. And it should only take you a couple of minutes for this to add to your dashboard. So on the bottom left, you can see here where it says will tell you when your app has been added. So go ahead and click on close that and just wait until it adds to your dashboard. All right, from here, we want to go ahead and click on the manage app button. Then you can see this has been installed. Now, if we come back to here under your apps, if it's not added, just go ahead and refresh the page like so. And then under your apps, it's going to appear now. So then simply click into rich filters and then you'll be taken to this page here, and it'll say welcome to rich filters for Jira dashboard. So go ahead and click on that create rich filter and then go ahead and give this a name. So I'm just going to call this filter 1. And then from here we can go ahead and select an existing Jira filter. And if you've got no filters like myself, what we can do is go back here and then on the left hand side we've got create. So go ahead and click on create.